Let's design a fast fall floral. We're using this set of stems. A couple of items I've split in half, like this mini pumpkin spray. Using that first, going into our vase, the long piece will slip through the bracket sections of the short piece and hold it all together. Next, let's put in our reed grass. You'll find stems like this and more on our website at shopmagnoliasonline.com. We can work those together, shaping all of the reed grass to fan out every direction here. Then let's use 2 sunflower sprays. That'll be easy, one on each side for balance. Often they need to be shaped as well. And lastly, a Chinese lantern spray, which was also split in half. There we go, great for strong color. So it's an easy fall design with stems that just drop right in.